Hello everyone, welcome to Virtual Lab Infra. My name is Uttam and in this MD102 training series, we are going to learn Microsoft Intune, the lab practical way. This is not a theory based course. Here we will build the lab from scratch, enroll Windows devices, configure policies, deploy applications and most importantly, troubleshoot real world issues that IT admins faces every day. If you are preparing for MD102 certification or if you want hands-on experience with Intune, Entra ID, and modern devices management, this series is going to very useful for you. Every session will be lab focused, step by step, and beginner friendly, but also valuable for working professionals. Make sure you subscribe to this virtual lab infra channel, like the stream, and turn on your notification so you don't miss any upcoming labs. Let's stop talking theory. Let's open the Intune portal and start working it. So before we begin the lab, I would like to give you the lab setup guide where you will have all the information before you begin the lab setup. So before you start this lab setup, you should be having Azure's free subscription, the required license to one of your user account in Entra ID. So first of all, we need a Azure subscription. Then we would need Intune administrator license, which is Intune P2 license. Then we would require Entra ID license, then Microsoft Defender license. We will show you how we can get all this license and subscription 100% free.